In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color to text in Wix. This is a simple trick that can really help certain words or phrases stand out on your website, whether you're highlighting a call to action, a special offer, or just trying to improve readability. Let's start from inside the Wix editor on the page where your text is located. First, you'll want to select the text you want to edit. You can do this in one of two ways. The easiest way is to move your mouse over the text and double-click directly on it. This will open up the text editing controls and place your cursor inside the text box. If double-clicking doesn't feel comfortable, there's another option. Click once on the text element to select it, and then look for the button or option that says Edit Text. Go ahead and click Edit Text to open the text editor. Either method works the same. The goal is simply to enter text edit mode so you can change the appearance of your text. Once you're in text edit mode, select the specific words or lines that you want to give a background color. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text so it becomes highlighted. Now look at the text toolbar that appears, usually above or near your text box. You're looking for an icon that looks like a capital letter A with a little water drop or droplet symbol. This icon controls the background color of your text, not the font color itself. The font color is usually just the plain A, but the one with the droplet is for the highlight or background. Click on that highlighted A with the water drop. A color picker or small color panel should open up. From here, choose the color you want to use behind your text. You can pick from the default colors, your site colors, or a custom color if that's available in your editor. As you click different colors, you should see a live preview applied to the selected text. When you're happy with the way it looks, simply click outside the text box or press Done, depending on your editor version, to close the text settings. Finally, remember to save and, when you're ready, publish your site so visitors can see the updated text with its new background color.